are having an amazing Saturday. So I am so excited because we have a new subscription. That's right, you guys saw it down below. It is Cake Crate by Kentastic Cakes. So this is a monthly cake subscription. You could get cake, cake pops, cookies, all kinds of different treats, and they look amazing. So I will put a link down below if you would like to check them out. Plans do start at like $40 for 1 month. I do have a promo code that I will put down below to save you 10% off a 3-month subscription or longer. But you guys, the idea of literally like gourmet treats and cakes and cookies and different things delivered to your door every month is just, why not? You know, a treat for you, a treat for your significant other, your kids, because it does come obviously with more than one item in it. But it's just, I mean, a pack of OREOs is almost $5. So I just think to have a homemade yummy treat, or treats actually, like I said, because it's got multiple in it, is just fantastic. The idea of this, I just can't wait to open this box and see exactly what is in here. So I do first want to say thank you so much to Cake Crate Kentastic Cakes for sending this to me to review and share with you guys. Also, thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We do all kinds of fun unboxings here, from snacks to jewelry to beauty to lifestyle to pets, everything in between. So definitely, if that's your thing, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Guys, don't forget, we do also have quite a few active giveaways, including the Jeffree Star Supreme Mystery Box giveaway. So all of that will be linked down below again, as well as a link to Cake Crate by Kentastic Cakes and that promo code to save you 10%. So let's get this open and see what we got. All right, so this is how it looks when you peel it back. And it says, congratulations, you are the lucky recipient of a monthly subscription called A Taste of Home Cake Crate by Kentastic Cakes. A Taste of Home Cake Crate provides you with a reminder of home with freshly baked homemade treats from the Kentastic Cakes kitchen. We create all of our items from scratch, just how it should be. Every month you will receive a slice of cake, cake pops, cookies, and a mystery item. Random recipients will receive a surprise gift in their crate. Just because you can't be at home doesn't mean you can't have a taste of home. So that is what it says there. And for October 2019, A Taste of Home by Kentastic Cakes. So this is going to go over all of the items that we got. So, y'all, oh my gosh, yum. I'm so glad it's the weekend. So can you guys see? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna pull something out and then I will look at this paper right here and see exactly what it is, and we'll figure it out together. All right, so, oh my goodness. First of all, how cute is this? Look at this, oh my gosh. So we have like a candy corn, a ghost, there's a pumpkin. Christopher is gonna love these. And then we have some kind of, let's see. So we have it's sugar cookies. I really like, now that I'm looking at it, that it literally he lists all of the ingredients. So like for the sugar cookies, flour, sugar, butter, eggs, salt, baking soda. And it does say all items created in a kitchen that uses nuts, wheat, and other allergens. So please read all ingredients. I think that is fantastic. I love that that is included. So that's awesome. So this is the sugar cookies, and oh, okay. So these guys, chocolate covered PB balls, peanut butter, rice cereal, sugar, and milk chocolate. What? My husband's gonna be all over those. So this package right here, Christopher and my husband all day long. Let's see what I get. All right, so then we have, what? Cookies and cream, oh my God. Cookies and cream cake in a cup. Has flour, sugar, eggs, vegetable oil, salt, baking powder, baking soda, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, butter, and Oreo cookies. Y'all. What? First of all, it's gorgeous. I mean, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm loving the cake top, like icing ratio happening here. Is that not awesome? Like, yum. Oh my gosh, that might be mine. They can have the cookies and the peanut butter balls. That might be mine. But we still have one more item. So that is everything. It is this. What is this? Because this looks phenomenal. What is this? Candy corn cake pops. Flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, milk, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, butter, candy corn flavoring, and white chocolate. Y'all, so they're gonna taste like candy. Oh my God. Oh, look. Okay, I can actually, I'm gonna open this because I wanna show you guys this. Oh my goodness. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Y'all. This is literally like the perfect subscription because, you know, you see stuff like this on Pinterest, and I don't know about you guys, but I am more of a Pinterest fail kind of person. Like, if I tried to make this, first of all, it probably wouldn't even be on the stick. It would probably fall off. Second, the icing would be like tie-dye looking, not perfectly. I mean, it's even shaped like a candy corn. Are you kidding me? There's 4 of them in here. So that means, you know, 2 for me, 1 for my husband, 1 for JK. I mean, 1 for Christopher. I'm just kidding. But is that not the cutest thing? Oh my goodness. Okay. So like I said, there's 4 of those in there. So we have those, and I love that they have white chocolate, so it's something a little different. This cookies and cream cake in a cup. What? Why have I not had more cakes in a cup? I love this so much. So much. And then I guess I could open these and show you a little better. So here is one of the like peanut butter balls. Again, that has like the Rice Krispies peanut butter. There's 3 of those. And then we have the 3 sugar cookies. So we have the ghost, a candy corn, and this gorgeous pumpkin. So needless to say, my household is set for yummy treats this weekend. Y'all, this is just like, yum. What? Every month you could get different. And I love, first of all, let me say, I love that it's like a Halloween themed. So I'm curious what November's theme would be, if it's gonna be like a Thanksgiving, harvest, fall. I'm curious about that. So let me know what you guys think down below. I think this was amazing. I mean, it's 4 different kinds of treats. And like I said, I mean, you're gonna pay like $5 just for Oreos. This, I would pay way more than $5 for. And the cake pops are actually very expensive. If you go to like a bakery or something, you're looking sometimes, you know, $3-4 a piece. So I think this is fantastic, and I love that it has the variety of the cake, the cookies, the cake pops, and then like the peanut butter balls. I just love it. Let me know what you guys think down below. I hope you have a fantastic Saturday, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.